Vlogmas, day, ano ba? Day 16? Is it? Day 15. I'm not sure, but good morning. Yeah, yesterday was a roller coaster. Dumating ako galing trabaho and then Jeremy just woke up and then he wasn't feeling well. Lumalala yung rashes niya sa neck niya. And then it's been 2 days tapos nag-fever na siya. And we had to take him to the emergency room just to make sure na he's okay. And it turns out, eczema pala niya yun. The last time he had eczema was when he was 3 months old, and now it flared up. And we have no idea why. Could be the weather. No one knows, but we're managing it now. Medyo walang tulog kasi kagabi nagkakamot pa rin siya. I had to give him Benadryl again. Ang hirap pag may sakit yung anak mo. Sacrifice talaga. Naawa lang ako kay Jeremy kasi ang hirap makita na may dinaramdam yung anak mo. Alam mo yun? So, I hope na he's much better today. He's still sleeping. We have an appointment at 10 o'clock. Magpe-prepare lang ako ng breakfast niya so when he wakes up, may makakain agad siya. So, sobrang gulo ng bahay. Magliligpit na lang ako mamaya pag uwi namin. And then maglalaba din ako. Puno na yung laundry namin. So, yeah. It's okay. Priority is si Jeremy muna. Mamaya na ang bahay. Nagluto din si Gerald kagabi ng sopas. And then, I'm gonna freeze yung iba sa kanila. Yeah. Gisingin ko na si Jeremy kasi 8:30 na. Kailangan muna niyang kumain ng breakfast and then we need to leave the house at least 9:15 to avoid some traffic. At hindi kami malate sa appointment niya. Kaya akong gisingin si Jeremy pero kailangan namin pumunta sa doctor. Jeremy? 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 Hello? Morning. Eat mo ng breakfast, okay? Awa naman ang balong. Come on, sweet breakfast. Didn't have a good night's sleep. Kasi sobrang kating-kati siya sa eczema niya. Kain na tayo, Juan. Sorry, magulo yung table, pero ayusin ni Mami yan. Pancakes. Mommy, cook some pancakes. Kain ka na. Okay, here, try. Wanna try? Eat na po. we're at Costco. Awa naman ang balong may sipon. Kailangan mag-grocery ni Mami ng pagkain natin, okay? Yeah. Eat na, eat. You wanna eat na? Remove your jacket, please. Say hi. What? Okay, let's go na. Whew. Pahinga lang saglit. Ay, nakakaloka. Nakapagod. Yung mga nabili natin sa Costco. I usually don't buy their milk. But since sobrang wala na akong time, bumili na ako ng milk ni Jeremy. And then, if you hear myself in the background, that's my vlog. Pinapanood ni Jeremy. And then, wala din yung egg na usually na binibili namin. So, I got this extra large eggs, ground beef. I-proportion ko to. And then, chicken thighs. I also bought this chicken. I-proportion ko din to. And then, usually, fini-freezer namin siya. And then, for example, magluluto kami ng arroz caldo or soup. Ready na yung chicken. Tapos, sa produce naman, bumili kami ng avocado. And then, onions. What else? Are you okay? And then, oranges. Mandarins. We got mandarins. Hinog. You want water? He say water is tato. Water, tato. So, pinapainit ko lang yung soup na niluto ni Daddy kagabi. And then, that's gonna be our lunch for today. Pabili din pala ako nito.
One more time.
Kain muna kami ni Jeremy. Ito lang kinakain niya ngayon, sopas. More, ayan, more pa daw. Yan. May upper respiratory tract infection din kasi si Jeremy, so kailangan niya ng vitamin C. More vitamin C, right, anak? Kulit na. Bumalik na yung sigla niya. Thank you, Lord. Ano yan? It's a... Anong animal yan? Ay, sus. Okay, one more. Hello. So, andito na naman ako sa parking lot. And mag-yoga ako tonight. Finally, naisingit ko din sa schedule ko ang mag-yoga. Recently lang ako sumali ng yoga class. Sa bahay lang ako nag-yoga kasi nahihiya ako. Kasi baka matumba-tumba ako pag nag-join ako sa class. And now, I finally had the courage. And it's making me feel so much better. And syempre trabaho ka, nanay ka, at the same time I think kailangan ko rin talagang magkaroon ng time for me, especially mag-exercise kasi kailangan ko ding alagaan yung sarili ko. Anyway, it's a 1-hour hot yoga, so I'll see you in a bit. Nice the glow. It's like hot yoga is done. So that's for today's vlogmas. Uwi na ako and gonna end this vlog now. Pag uwi ko, papahinga na ako, maliligo. And I don't know if nakatulog na si Jeremy. Baka nakatulog na rin yun. Thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye-bye.